Good afternoon. Here we are still in sunny Southern California. It's still on Tuesday. I was just talking to you on another clip. The question is posed, when should I file the application for adjudication of claim? Now that is a mouthful. That is what you file after you've gotten your claim form and you've given it to the employer and you've gotten some medical treatment, possibly some time off of work. You're usually, as the injured worker, usually motivated to get this application filed because you're having some kind of trouble. You can't get paid for being off of work, you're not getting the medical treatment that you think you should be getting. There's some issue coming up with being provided the benefits that you thought you were supposed to get in workers' compensation in the state of California. So you file the application so you can eventually move it forward in front of a judge, depending upon what the issue is. So the question is, when do I have to file that application? If you have done the claim form, you have 1 year from the date of injury. Let's say you're hurt on January 30th of 2017. That means by January 30th of 2018, it's safest to have filed an application by that point in time. There are exceptions to this rule. There are exceptions to many of the rules of workers' compensation. I cannot possibly cover them all. I'm only talking about general things here right now. You should do the application within the year, but all is not lost necessarily if you do not. If it's a case that's been accepted, if the employer's admitted, yes, we're providing responsibility, we're stepping up to the plate here and providing benefits and medical treatment and whatever else is reasonably necessary under the law, then you have up to 1 year from the date of the last benefit provided by that employer or that employer's carrier. It's usually not advisable to wait that long for a lot of reasons, but that's the outside sort of edge of it all. Again, I would counsel you against waiting that long, but that is the outside limit. Now, on the other hand, if you've got a situation where the case has been denied, the employer, after they receive the claim form, has up to 90 days to investigate, and during that 90 days, they decide to deny your case for whatever reason. You are greatly encouraged. I would say in most instances it is the best advice to file that application no later than 1 year from the date of your injury, just to make sure you're not going to have to argue about statute of limitations defense later on down the road. So probably more than you wanted to know, but file the application within a year from the date of injury is the safest approach. Have a good day. Thank you.